Hello everybody! So this week I am going to be filming another makeup tutorial. Right now I'm pre-filming a bunch of videos because for the past 2 days where I live we've just been snowed in. This is just going to be a simple like talk through makeup tutorial, really chill. It'll probably be kind of similar to my last video because I use a bunch of the same products. Like for my skin I don't really switch it up when it comes to foundation and concealers very much. But hopefully you guys will enjoy this. To start off, I just like to use some Mario Badescu. So now I'm going to take my beauty blender and my Mary Kay Luminous Wear foundation and just apply that all over my face. And always try to like blend the product onto your ears and down your neck so it's not like a big color change or a line. My face is actually lighter than my body, which is saying a lot because I'm so pale. But it's because I use like a lot of exfoliating things, like harsher products on my face because of my acne. Next, I'm going to take concealer. I actually have 2 shades of this. I have a lighter one. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I actually have 2 shades. I have the lighter one, which is shade 15, I think, and then a slightly darker one that's in shade 10. I'm just gonna take that and put a dot under each of my eyes, around the sides of my nose, because sometimes I get a little thing there. Now that we have that done, I'm just gonna take some of my translucent powder. It's also from Mary Kay. And I'm gonna take it on this Real Techniques brush. I actually think this is a contour brush, but I like to use it to set my under eyes because it fits really nicely. Okay, so next I'm going to do a little bit of bronzing. I wouldn't really call it contour because I don't go super extreme, but I'm gonna take my NYX Wonder Stick in the shade Light, and you can see I'm really like getting low on this right now. I'm just gonna draw a line under each of my cheekbones. And then, now that I look like I have sideburns, I'm going to take this buffing brush from Real Techniques and just start buffing that out. Next, I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer from Benefit and just kind of go over top of that to set it and intensify it a little more. And I'm also gonna do like the 3 in E shape. I'm gonna go around my temple, under my cheekbone, and under my jawline. I'm also just gonna take a little and put it on like the tip of the brush and go under my lip. Next, I'm going to take some of my highlighter in the shade Lunch Money from ColourPop and highlight the high points of my face. I love highlighting my nose. I think it's like the cutest thing to highlight on your face. Okay, next I think I want to do my eyebrows. My eyebrows are pretty simple. I don't do anything too crazy with them. I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Brow Definer in the shade Brunette and use that to just fill in my brows. So I just kind of, when I do my brows, draw a line under and then fill in the front and the tail. My brows aren't usually too difficult. I don't like to draw a super crazy shape. I just kind of like to make them like that fluffy type of brow. And I brush through them with a little e.l.f. spoolie brush. I'm just gonna take this little mini like Hoola sample that I have and use it like eyeshadow. I think it's really pretty because then you're matching like your bronze contour type thing to the contour of your eye, so it all just looks very natural. I don't usually put any eyeshadow on my lid when I do that because my eyelids are naturally just darker. It kind of looks like I'm wearing eyeshadow when I'm not, so I just leave them. Next, I'm going to line my waterline with the Rimmel Scandal Eyes Waterproof Eye Kohl in the color Nude. Next, I'm gonna line my upper waterline with a black liner to make my lashes look thicker. The nude one was to make my eyes look more open. I'm just gonna line it with a Wet n Wild eye kohl in the color Black. Next, I am going to do mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline Rocket Mascara in the color Blackest Black. What a big difference that makes. My eyelashes are so blonde at the tip, it's crazy. You look a little clumpy today, but that's okay. And the last thing I'm going to do, I'm not going to do a super duper natural lip color because I'm going to do a liquid lip. I'm going to do a matte liquid lip from Kylie Jenner's Lip Kits in the color Candy K, and I'm also going to use the liner in Candy K. I don't like to overline my lips, so I just kind of like follow my natural lip outline that kind of got covered up by foundation. But that is the finished look. I've been wearing this look a lot lately. It's not anything too crazy. It probably takes like 10 minutes to do, so it's really great if you're rushing out for school in the morning or work, or you just want something really natural and casual to wear like on a day-to-day basis. So that is the finished makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week with another video.